It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Friday, the 13th of December. Cold again this morning. We'll be in the 50s, though, this afternoon. Close to 60 over the weekend. And some rain mainly tomorrow night and mainly for the northern half of the state. And it's going to turn pretty cold around the weekend right before Christmas. A lot of things going on here, so let's talk about it. This is the upper air look early this morning. And we've still got broad troughing over the eastern states. That's the reason it's so cold this morning, but pretty quiet around the nation. That's the radar composite to start today. Things are generally dry. Hey, many spots are down in the 20s again early this morning. These observations taken about 5 o'clock. Look at Aniana, 25. Gadsden, 26. Jasper, 27. Most locations are in the 30s across the state. And again, we'll be in the 50s later this afternoon. There's the watch warning map around the nation. We have winter weather advisories for Iowa and some of the adjacent states. To the west, maybe a little thunder later today and this evening. Nothing severe. From East Texas up into parts of Kansas and Missouri. Tomorrow, a chance of some thunder west of Alabama. Not here. And on day 3, which is Sunday, again, maybe some thunder in areas off to the west of Alabama, but no severe storms expected for the next 7 days. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week. And again, there's a big gradient here. For our friends in Florence and the Shoals, you might see 2 inches of rain. Huntsville, 1.5 inches. And then about 1/2 inch for Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden. South Alabama, just really not much at all. So model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06 Z run, valid today at 3. Shortwave trough out in the Rockies. That's what's going to bring the chance of rain in here tomorrow night. But today should be mostly sunny with highs in the 50s. Tomorrow, again, we think the day will be dry. Clouds will increase, the high around 60, rain north and west of here. And that rain will be creeping in here tomorrow night. This is tomorrow night at midnight. And you can see light rain mainly for the northern half of the state. Again, nothing especially heavy. And then on Sunday, the day looks mostly dry with the exception of maybe the Tennessee Valley. The Shoals, Athens, Decatur, Huntsville, Scottsboro. You might see a few showers on Sunday, but the rest of the state rain-free. The high Sunday will be in the low 60s in most spots. So Monday, the day looks dry. Again, another front north and west of the state. Monday will be the warmest day of the week next week. We might see some low 70s for South Alabama, upper 60s for the northern counties of the state. And then Monday night, that front comes in here with a chance of showers. And again, nothing too heavy. And by Tuesday, the thing's long gone. And there is no cold air behind that front. This is a Pacific front, so the high Tuesday will be in the 60s. And then Wednesday, the next little feature might bring some rain in here, maybe late Wednesday or Wednesday night. And again, nothing too heavy. And then by Thursday, that feature is gone. And we are dry and colder, the high dropping back in the 50s. And a week from today, this is Friday, December 20th, troughing over the east, ridging over the west. And again, we are cool and dry. The low Friday morning of next week, probably around freezing, the high in the low 50s. So let's go to the next day. All right, so now this is what you're going to see all over social media, and you're going to see this all over just everywhere. This is for Saturday, December 21st. And everybody's going to be screaming, it's going to snow, a blizzard. It's going to snow. And, of course, you know the deal. You know what they're looking for. They're not looking for accurate information to be passed along. They're looking for what? Engagement, likes, shares, social score. But this is what they won't show you, okay? So this is the European at the exact same time, Saturday the 21st. It just shows nothing. And what this is, it's a clipper. Clippers, could they squeeze out a few snow flurries? Yes, but if that were to happen, it would be no impact at all. The European says nothing. But what it's going to do is pull down some pretty cold air. That's the big story. Forget that. So again, all day today and over the weekend, you're going to see this. Look at this. Like, share, blah, 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 blah. But you won't see this. But forget the flurry thing. The deal, it's the cold air coming in here. For the weekend of the 21st and the 22nd, that's the weekend before Christmas. Highs will likely drop in the 40s, and by Sunday morning, the 22nd, lows should be well down in the 20s. This is out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 22nd. Pretty good trough off the South Atlantic coast, and we're cold and dry. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean, 1.5 to 2 inches between now and the 28th of December. And here's a look at the numbers coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. And it's a roller coaster. Around 60 for the weekend, near 70 Monday. And then that first phase of cooler air comes in toward the end of next week, Thursday and Friday. That's the 19th and the 20th with highs in the low 50s. And then that colder air comes in for the weekend of the 21st and 22nd. Highs dropping in the 40s and lows down in the mid-20s by the morning of December 22nd. Latest long-range guidance. This is for December 20th through the 26th. Temperatures below average here, above average in the west. And this is the OZ run of the European ensemble, not the deterministic, but the ensemble output. And this is valid Christmas morning, Wednesday, December 25th. And if this sort of verified temperature is pretty close to average around here. And again, average numbers for late December, highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s. Ooh, some cool sky optics yesterday. Cirrus clouds, about 25,000 feet off the ground, way below freezing up there. Those are ice crystals, and they kind of act like a prism, creating cool effects. And you know what you're looking at here. Those are sundogs. I think weather dweebs that watch these videos, you know that. Now, the little blue dot you see there, that's a lens flare. That's a camera artifact. But again, you can see the sundogs off to the left and right of the sun. These were captured mostly over the Tennessee Valley late yesterday. And on occasion, you'll see a nice 22-degree halo, but we really didn't see that yesterday, just mainly those sun dogs. Goodness gracious, did you see this? This is Kalamazoo County, Michigan yesterday. This is terrifying. Big 18-wheeler is going to come in here out of control on that snow ice-covered road and slam into that fire truck. Wow. Thankfully, we had no injuries there, but that's some crazy stuff. So I guess we can be thankful that kind of stuff is not going on down here. So headed down to Opelika today, Fox Run School. Looking forward to seeing the students there. We'll actually be meeting at Opelika High School in that nice Performing Arts Center auditorium they have, but that'll be today. And then tomorrow it's a book signing in Calera, 10:30 until 1:30, Adventurers Coffee Company. This should be the last one of the year. Last chance to get a special gift for that weather weenie in your family. We'll have all those great weather shirts from Crest Publishers. We'll have the children's books. They're great gifts for kids that like weather. The Benny and Chipper series, The Wonder of Thunder, Prepared Not Scared, Greendale Tornado, and much more. So come see us. We'd love to see you there. Calera, Shelby County, tomorrow from 10:30 until 1:30 at Adventurers Coffee Company. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.